You will face many defeats in life, but never let yours be defeated. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life, and be without flavor. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look